Not want to miss this video, so stay watching. If you haven't already subscribed to the channel, make sure you subscribe. Click that subscribe button right now, and also make sure you have your notification bell on, because you want to click it so that you know when I upload videos and I go live. Welcome to the channel, everybody. Today I'll be talking about how to make money using Facebook. That's right. How to make money using Facebook. I know that so many people take advantage of social media, whether they're sharing on their pages, their personal page selling, or they're on the Facebook marketplace selling, or they in group selling, or they created a page to sell, or they even are selling on Messenger. This video is totally different, and I'll be sharing a lot of information today to help you learn how to make money using Facebook. Guys, I recently learned this or paid attention. I'm going to say I knew about it, but I recently just started paying attention. I was just posting videos and just sharing things on my personal page. And then Facebook, beginning of this year started opening up different things. And one of the things I knew, I had a personal page, and they asked me, did I want to switch my personal page to the professional mode. So I did, you guys. I switched and became a digital creator because I like to create. But I didn't know in doing that it will build so many different things for me. And I realized that I was very creative. So getting to the point, because I know that you are very busy. When I switched to professional mode, everybody know that Facebook has the reels. They have the reels, and you can post videos on it. So I started sharing the real videos, just one paying attention, just posting it. And then May of this year, they offered real bonus plays. How many of you are taking advantage of Reels bonus plays? So I started just launching the Reels because they said that you could earn money. You could earn money off Reels. So I started doing it. And my views weren't getting up enough really to really make any money, you guys. So I continued on, but I really wasn't paying attention and really wasn't posting that often. Until one day, guys, this happened. What happened was I started posting at first. It was like 100, and then I go to 200, and I was hoping one day I would get up to 1,000. And so I was just posting and just having fun and really wasn't thinking about it. Then all of a sudden, one of my videos that you see on the screen, the first one, me in the pink, went up to 1.6K. And I was like, wow, my first video that I had 1,000 or over 1,000 views. So I continued to post, and they still was spinning up, but not to the 1.6K. And I wasn't doing this consistently now. I was just doing it every so often, even though they was having the bonus plays. Because I didn't think that really I would earn anything on Facebook. So then I kept doing it. And then the next video, after so many videos, I went up to 1.7K on my Reels. Okay. This is when Facebook allow me to do more. And they start actually notifying me in the notifications. And you actually, with the Facebook Reels, to set up transactions and to get paid if you earn anything, which is not a whole lot, you guys, but you are earning, you are monetizing. So I set up to be able to get payouts through them. And of course, like anything else, you have to make $100 to get paid, but you are earning money. So Facebook, you can advertise your business. You can place things on group. You can create business pages to sell, and it's easy to sell even on marketplaces. So you can make money on Facebook. But what's interesting to know is now that you can monetize. How? Because on YouTube, TikTok, Facebook, and Instagram, you see a lot of competition. You see Facebook Reels, Instagram Reels, TikTok, and you see even the shorts on YouTube. So this is allowing you, by having them competing, to actually make money on all of these different social media platforms. So one thing I know with Facebook Reels, that they are continually creating new things, because I didn't even know that now I'm eligible to monetize on Instagram Live. I just realized that when I went to my dashboard. And then also with stars, I was eligible for stars, so people can send you stars and then you can earn money to create more content on there as well. So guys, if you're not taking advantage, what I'm trying to say, of Instagram Reels and all these things that you can make money, and you can actually, even if you're not using the transaction or getting paid for Facebook Reels or anything else or monetizing, you can actually advertise your businesses on these platforms and make money, and you will have leads and clients if you know how to do it and have a call to action. So this will help you be able to make money on Facebook. So yeah, I'm gonna show you, and I usually don't put my money, but I'm gonna show you on the screen the earnings, and it's actually more than this because I'm steadily going with it all the way to November. But I just put these four because it started in May, June, July, and September. I started getting earnings, and then they have payouts. So until you go up to the $100, you're not gonna actually get money into your account. So you just keep going and being consistent, right? And making sure that you post trending content also in your reels that I'm learning. And also I learned also on Facebook Reels that more of your own content, more of yourself on there and what's trending will help your reels spin up real fast. More original content, I put it like this. So these are some of the ways in this video that will help you make money on Facebook. So many different ways. And also, you guys, on Facebook, I haven't reached that level, but when you get 10,000 followers, you'll be able to make money off the ads. So yes, Facebook is competing with YouTube. TikTok is competing with all the rest of them. So how is this going to benefit you? You'll be able to monetize and make money if you continue being consistent. All right. And learning each platform so that you can increase your views on whether it's TikTok, whether it's on YouTube, whether it's on Facebook and Instagram. Figuring them out, and I'm learning to figure them out instead of just randomly posting. That's what I was doing, is randomly posting, and then realized that I could really take advantage of this. And you can too, you guys, if you're willing to put in the work and really learn. I've been really learning from each platform. All of them are different, and all of them, the algorithms are looking for something different on each platform. So then you will increase your views, and then you'll have more earnings and also reach that monetization level. But until you reach that, you can actually use these social media platforms to sell your products. Even in Reels, even in Shorts, even on TikTok, if you learn how to do them, and I'm learning, okay, you guys, and even marketing, it will help you as well. So I ask that you continue watching this video to the end so you'll know what I have coming up next. Y'all have a great one. So you'll know what I have coming up next. Y'all have a great one. So you'll know what I have coming up next. Y'all